Greetings of the day, my dear students. Okay, dear students, in this video class, we will prepare the notes and chit chat margin questions and English workshop related 8 standards third language 4.4 the unsinkable ship. Okay, I hope it will useful to you. Okay, dear students, if it is getting so much fast for your writing, you can pause or take the screenshots of the questions and answers. Okay, we will move that. The first one is chit chat questions. The first question is: have you heard or read about natural calamity? Yes, I have read about natural calamity, earthquake, landslide, volcano, tsunami, storms, flood, etc. in newspapers. Okay, when we are reading, we will read that. Next, second question: what are the different possibilities in a long journey? In a long journey, some unexpected things are possible, especially accident, breakdown on the way, shipwreck, plane crash, etc. Okay, then third question, do you know the sea voyages? Yes, I know what is sea voyages, but I have not experienced it. Okay, next there is a fourth question, how is the journey in the sea different from others? Okay, the answer is in the other journeys, especially on the road, we can expect some relief or help in case of accidents, mishaps. But journey in the sea, though seems comfortable, can be totally if anything goes wrong in the sea. Next, there is a fifth question. What is that fifth question is, why should we have alternatives in the journey? If there is a breakdown or accident of the vehicles or anything goes wrong in the regular route, we should have some kinds of alternative. For example, changing the route of vehicle. Of course, it is possible in the road journey or train journey only. Okay, after chit chat, then what is next? Read the lines given below. Imagine yourself in the situation and answer the questions based on your imagination. Okay, after the games practice, my friends and I were hungry. We decided to go a snack outlet on third floor in a huge six-storied mall. On the way, just as we paid our bill and were about to leave, there was a ear-shattering blast, a loud explosion on the first floor. What was your first reaction? Our immediate reaction was one of the shock, and then we fled out of the mall. Next, second question. How did the public panic? They were in a state of panic and ran helter-skelter to find the exit. Some were shouting and crying hysterically. Next question is, what did some alert, sensible people do? They were trying to calm down the people and helping children and women to escape from the mall. Next, what was the damage and danger? Fire broke up on third floor and was rearing upwards. The blast had damaged everything with structure of the mall. The fourth floor was in danger. Okay, next question. Who came to the risk? The police, the fire brigade, and the local people came to the risk. How many people were injured and killed? 4 women and 2 men were injured. Fortunately, no one was killed. Next question. What effect did the instance leave on your mind? We were shocked and were still trembling with fear, though we were out of danger. We thanked God for saving us from the danger. Okay, next, the word unsinkable has a prefix as well as suffix. The root word is sink. Give the root words of the following. Uncomfortable. The root word is comfort. Unhappiness. The root word is happy. Next, third one. Insecurity. The root word is secure. Okay. Insecurity, the root word is secure. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Insecurity, root word is secure. Next, fourth one is inaccuracy. Root word is accurate. Fifth one is independence. The root word is defend. Sixth one is emailer. The root word is mail. Next, seventh one, unloser. The root word is lose. Disability, able. Disappearance, appear. Unfriendly, friend. Next, 1 minute, interactive, act. Misunderstanding, understand. Okay. Then next, write two words each with the following prefixes. Okay, the first word antiseptic, antisocial. Dislike, disappear. Non-violence, non-living. Rearrange, replace. Okay, next we will move to that. Write two words each with the following suffixes. Okay, what are the two words? We will see. Now, full, faithful, doubtful. Us, dangerous, courageous. Less, careless, senseless. Ly, deadly, promptly. Next, we will come to that. What are the margin questions and answers? Okay. The first question is, why was the Titanic so called? The word Titanic means huge. The Titanic was like a floating town. Second question, what facilities were available on the ship? The facilities available on the ship were large hotel with grand suitcases, staircases, dining rooms, shops and swimming pools. Next, third question, what made the man turn cold with fright? He grew cold with tear. A huge iceberg stood right in the path of Titanic. This made the man turn cold with fright. Next, fourth one is, what was the damage caused of the ship? Captain Smith fought hard to steer the Titanic away from the iceberg, but the ship changed direction slowly and her side scraped the mountain of ice. A shower of ice fell onto the decks and the iceberg cut holes along the ship's side. Water began to pour into the lower decks. Okay, then next question is fifth one. What is that fifth question is? Why were the passengers in grave danger? They didn't get help from the Carpathia and California. The Titanic was sinking rapidly. The crew lowered the lifeboats into the sea, but there was only enough space in the boat for a few hundred passengers. The Titanic had more than 2,000 people on board. The ship began to tilt into the sea. People began to jump from the decks into the iceberg cold water. Okay, next question number 6. What is that? Question number 6 is, why could Carpathia not do much to save more lives? The Carpathia arrived at 3:40 a.m. The ship's crew found the lifeboats and saved 700 people in them. They also found chairs and pieces of wood floating on the water. But almost all the people in the water had drowned or died of cold. The Carpathia was too late to save them. Okay. Then next question number 7. What two compulsions were laid down for all ships in 1913? In 1913, it was decided that all ships must have enough room in their lifeboats. To carry everyone aboard, it was also decided that the ship must keep their radios working every hour of the day and night. Next, question number 8. How far had the Titanic sunk? They found the ship lying in two pieces on the ocean floor at a depth of around 4,000 meters. Okay, dear students, we will come to that English workshop. Okay, what is that English workshop? Find any 6 words from the text that have suffixes. Underline the suffix in each of them. Unsinkable, quick, quickly, rapid, rapidly. Next, comfort, comfortable, unfortunate, unfortunately, sudden, suddenly. These are the suffixes we found in the textbook. Okay. Next, 2 words may combine to form a new word with a changed meaning. Such words are called compound words in English. For example, every plus thing, everything. Some of them have a hyphen. For example, life plus skills. Find 4 or 5 compound words from the text. Ice plus berg, iceberg. No plus thing, nothing. Mean plus while, meanwhile. Next, life plus boat, lifeboat. Ice plus cold, ice cold. Read the text and answer. What does the word Titanic mean? Titanic means huge. Okay, then next, how many passengers did Titanic carry? The Titanic carried more than 2000 passengers. Next, question number 3. Why were the passengers on Titanic proud? Because they were traveling in the best ship in the world. Fourth question. Why did people call Titanic an unsinkable ship? Because they thought the Titanic ship could never sink. That much it is biggest. Next, fifth question. What did Carpathia crew find? They found urgent messages of the Titanic asking for help. Sixth question. Who was the director of the film based on the Titanic's maiden voyage? James Cameron was the director of the film based on the Titanic's maiden voyage. Okay. Next, where did the scientists find Titanic? At the depth of 4,000 meters, 13,000 feet on the ocean floor. Next, discuss in groups 4 and 5 and find it. Reason for the sinking of Titanic. Captain Smith tried too hard to steer the Titanic away from the iceberg, but the side of the ship was touched deep against the mountain of ice. A shower of ice fell on the decks and the iceberg cut holes along the ship's side. Water began to pour into the lower decks of the ship. Next, question number 2. Effects of the sinking Titanic. About 1500 people drowned with Captain Smith and his crew. It made people think harder about the safety of passengers on ship. They sent a submarine and found the ship lying in 2 pieces on the ocean floor. The director James Cameron made a famous film on Titanic's maiden voyage. Read and find words related to sea and arrange them alphabetically. Next, words related to the sea from the chapter. Sail, voyage, lifeboats, iceberg, water, sink, drown, depth, surface, ship, ocean, ice, boat. Alphabetic order. First one, boat, depth, drown, ice, iceberg, lifeboats, ocean, sail, sink, ship, surface, voyage, water. She was as tall as building with 15 stories. Here see the Titanic, NIC, not NRC, is compared with the building of 15 stories. You know that when a comparison is made between 2 objects of different kinds is called simile. A simile is introduced by the words as or like. Frame 5 of your own sentence using the construction as. Write them down in your notebook. Lakshmi is as busy as bee. Srija is as brave as Savitri. Srishti is as beautiful as Srija. Savitri is as clever as Priya. Pranjali is as funny as Joker. Very nice. Our friendship is like a golden chain. Okay, very good examples we have here about the figure of speech or poetic device simile. Okay, next we will move to that. The Carpathia was too late to write these three sentences of your own using the following construction 2. The lion was too tired to walk. Next, second one. The coffee was too hot to drink. The puzzle was too difficult to solve. I am too busy to talk to you. She was too weak to walk. Next, read again from 5th paragraph. Then came the night of 14th April up to 12th paragraph. The Carpathia was too late to save them. Mark the most important points. Using the points makes a summary of the incident in your own words using short simple sentence. Write out the summary in 12 to 15 lines. Night of 14th April, clear sky, calm sea captain, new icebergs nearby. A man keeps watch, saw icebergs, captain tried to steer the Titanic, failed. The iceberg struck, cut holes the ship's sides, water poured into ship. Titanic in great danger, message asking for help. The ship California did not get message. Another ship Carpathia sailed fast to help, but it was far away, came sinking. It began to tilt, then Titanic vanished into sea. 1,500 people drowned. Captain and his crew went down with the ship. Carpathia arrived, saved 700, almost all drowned or died of cold. Carpathia was too late. Okay, let's come to that language study. The sentences can be classified into three types. First one is simple sentence. A simple sentence is one that has only one subject and one predicate. It has only one finite verb. For example, she is subject here, went is verb here, she went home. In the morning, near my school, I saw a snake. Next, second one, complex sentence. What is complex sentence? Okay, we will see that. A complex sentence consists of one main clause and one or more dependent or subordinate clause. She went home after school was over. The boys found the book which had been lost. Okay. Next, the third one is compound sentence. A compound sentence consists of two or more independent or coordinate clause. For example, he finished his work and he left his office, and his coordinating conjunction here. He is poor but he is honest. These are the examples of compound sentence. These are very important. Okay. Next, say whether the following are simple, compound or complex sentences. They felt safe. It is simple sentence because here is only one verb, one subject is here. Captain Smith knew that there was icebergs nearby. It is complex sentence. Here two sentences, one sentence depending on the another sentence. That is a subordinating conjunction. Okay. Next, come to the third question. She fought hard to steer, but the ship changed direction slowly. It is also compound sentence because but is a coordinating conjunction. Next, fourth one. Most passengers heard nothing and they slept on. It is also compound because and is also coordinating conjunction. In compound sentence, we should use that only the coordinating conjunctions. Okay, the both clauses are independent, not dependent. The crew lowered the lifeboats. It is simple sentence. One subject, one verb. Sixth one. They asked them why ships carry such few lifeboats. It is a complex sentence because it is why. Next, find from the text two examples of simple, compound and complex sentences. Okay, wait. Okay. 1 minute. Next, simple sentence. The word Titanic means huge. Everyone called the Titanic finest ship in the world. Okay. Next, two examples we have written. Next, compounds, complex sentences. Everyone thought that the Titanic never sink. It was decided that all ships must have enough room in their in lifeboats to carry every on board. Next, compound sentence. Okay, we will see that the compound sentence. What is that compound sentence? Okay, examples we will see now. The sky was clear and the sea was calm. Second one, the Carpathia was far away and she took over 3 hours to reach the Titanic. Okay, these are the examples of compound sentence. I hope, dear students, if it is useful to you, you can share this video class with your friends because it will also useful for them. They will take the use of it. Then still you have that what are the doubts for the related this, you can comment in the comment section. Okay, if you liked that this video class, you can give the just like. Okay, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel because your subscription is our motivation. Okay, in the next video class again I will come very soon. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye, see you. All the best for your exams.